preparing mutton biryani, you will need 750 grams of mutton. Clean the mutton and transfer them to a pressure cooker. Add a tablespoon of salt to it and 2 tablespoons of green chilli paste. Add a glass of water and then cover the cooker lid. Pressure cook this for about 2 whistles or more depending on how tender the mutton is. To prepare the green paste for biryani, you will need 1 small sliced onion and a bunch of coriander and mint. Grind them into a fine paste. You then need to prepare the coconut milk. You can freshly prepare it at home or you could use a ready-made one. I've taken half kg of rice. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice for about 30 minutes after that. Ingredients you will need to prepare biryani. Heat a heavy bottom pan or a pressure cooker and add 50 to 70 ml of oil to it. Once the oil is heated, you can then add the dry spices and fry it roughly for about 1 minute. Then add 2 large sliced onion and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts turning translucent. Add 2.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Once the onion is fried, you can then add finely chopped tomato to it. You can then add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 tablespoon of salt so that the tomato and onions are fried well. Once the tomatoes are soft, you can then add finely chopped mint and coriander. Mix them well and fry it for about a minute. Then add the paste that you had previously prepared of coriander, mint and onion. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala and mix all of these thoroughly. You can also add green chilli paste as per your taste. Remember that we had also added green chilli paste while cooking the mutton. Mix it well and cover it with a lid and allow it to cook in low flame. After it's cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes, you can then open and give it a mix. If the oil has started separating from that mixture, you can then add the cooked mutton to this. You can now see the masala color has been changed, so we can then add the cooked mutton to the pressure cooker. Mix it well and cover it with a lid and allow it to cook until oil starts separating from it. You can now see after 10 minutes of allowing it to cook in low flame, the oil has started separating. We should take 1:2 ratio for the amount of rice that you've added to the liquid that you need to add. So you need to initially add the mutton stock, then the coconut milk that you had prepared. The rest portion would be water. So since we had taken 3 glasses of rice, we are adding 6 glasses here, which includes mutton stock, coconut milk and water. Once we add the water, give it a good mix and keep the flame in high to bring it to a boil. You can taste it and add extra green chili paste and salt as needed. Once the water starts boiling, add the rice to it. Make sure that you drain water completely from the rice while adding, since you have already added 6 glasses of liquid to the pressure cooker. Once you add the rice completely, stir the complete mixture thoroughly and close it with the lid. And allow it to cook it in high flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, you can then open the lid and give it a mix again to see if there is still water remaining. You can cook in medium-high flame for about 7 to 8 minutes again by covering the lid. Now you can see the water is almost gone and the rice has been cooked roughly for about 60 to 70%. That is when you will have to place a tawa. On top of that, you have to place the pan or the pressure cooker. Once the tawa is heated, you can then place the cooker on top of it and then give it a good mix and close it with a lid. Definitely try this dum cooking method. The taste will definitely be in next level. While doing this, make sure you place a heavy vessel on top of the cooker. Finally, after cooking it for about next 5 to 7 minutes, you can open the lid and give it a good mix for the last time, completely from bottom to top. Even the rice on the pressure cooker or in the pan, and then add a tablespoon of ghee on top, spread it across, cover it with a lid and place a heavy vessel on top and turn off the flame. Once the flame is turned off, do not open the lid for at least 10 minutes before you serve the biryani. If you feel the dum cooking method is difficult, you could also pressure cook the biryani once you add the rice for 2 whistles and turn off the flame. Hotel style dum mutton biryani is ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.